Going on live at Calabar Major Highway, Ekom. A diesel tanker just got an accident, and this is the result we are getting. A very big flame coming out of it, and a very deep smoke that has engulfed the whole atmosphere. The whole people of Ekom and those traveling along the major highways are on a standby, watching the incident. People are on a standby, watching and imagining the degree of damage that would have occurred if it is fuel tanker. This is really deep. Look at the flames, black flames. The flame is really high. Look at the black smoke that has engulfed the whole atmosphere around here.